Panthers against the Bolts got a game winner on Simmer Chima. And as Emilio Cueva wins the jump, already about a minute into the game. At least a 3 from Cueva. Let's go. Bang. Minute in the game, so his stats will count. Here comes Jake Sullivan, backing him down, and gets it off. And already an open shot, perfect shot, looking, and he bangs it home. You know what? I'll be nice. I'll give Emilio another 3-pointer. And Jake the dunk. Jam for the big man. Jake Sullivan, open 3. No good. Jake, 4 rebounds, and Jake punches it home. What the fuck? Oh, good pass. Oh, what a beautiful pass. Oh my gosh, where is he going? Oh, mid-range. Merchant is on their shot. No, I'm better. Oh! A good pass again. Oh, rejected! Shot's no good. He still gets the rebound. What? 17 seconds. Here we go. Alex is wide open. Here we go, Alex. Layup. It's good. It's a tie game again. 9, 8, 7. Oh, my!
I know what it means.
4, 3. Oh, my. Hey! Jake Sullivan ties it again. Green bean. Bang! Hey! And Jake. And Frank trying to get his first points of the game. Oh! Oh, jam! He bangs that home. Finds Frank open. Oh! Bang that home.
Don't let him go into the floor.
From the dead? Here comes Jake. Hey! Jake Sullivan again. Frank missed it. Jake the rebound. Already has 8. Frank the 3. Bang! Frank Lombardo on the 3. And steals it. 10, 9. Oh! Jake the jam. And now they're up by 11. The dunk. Never mind. He fucking sucks. Hey! And Frank, I want to watch fucking. And a Dominic Campese. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh boy, Molina! Jake still not regarding the pass. And Frank's playing knee basketball. Gets the rebound again and gets it. 9 rebounds for the big Jake. He's wide open. Leaves. All right, this game now starts. And Jake Sullivan with a jam. Yeah, bet. I'll do that.
No. I'm not trading Jake.
And Jake throws it down again.
A bunch of water. I like this.
Alex a dunk. Man, you fucking knew that. That shit was. Oh, I think his fans fell down. Oh, 3 without the. Without the pants. Get Alex the dunk. You have 2 points, you nigger.
That's a foul. No.
He missed the dunk. Yo, let Alex have the dunk. Oh my gosh, you fucking nigger.
Bullshit.
Oh my god, Jake, just let him fucking get the dunk.
I changed the entire league for him to be on my team.
Alex, get open.
Are you okay? I want to run that back with Alex.
All right, bro, this game's already over.
In the game. No. Get him off the team. You have 50 fucking points. You don't want to give it to Alex? Rowan, what's my stats? You don't even deserve this song. Not you. I just had fucking 40. Get out of here.